Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into a Xiaomi 12 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings. Here choose Gensler shortcuts option, and now for example here we got 5 options of quick launch. So for example, go into launch camera. Here we got double press to power key and double press volume down when the screen is locked. So activate this two option and go back. First option, launch Google Assistant, then take a screenshot, partial screenshot and turn on touch. For example, go into turn on touch. Here we got the same option, double press the power key. So activate this, and now we got a message. Double press the power button is used for launch camera. Replace or not. If we tap replace, activate this option. If we tap, for example, go into launch camera and activate one more time this option. If we tap cancel, this option is disabled to launch camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.